to Virtual Trivia. Yes.
And guys, if you just came into this game or you're still a regular, let's just remind you on how to get onto this game. If you want to play Virtual Trivia, just scan the QR code, which has not appeared yet, but will soon appear. It should be down
The
left,
best things are always
right. There it is. Surprise, surprise. That's right. You scan the QR code, enter a valid phone number, enter an appropriate username, guys. Keyword on appropriate. We will remove you from the game. You might be like, whoa, what happened? Maybe it's your name or your awful internet connection.
Because you don't exist to us. Now, our prizes, we got first place, $100 voucher from Daphne's.
Love from the
Second
US.
place, we got $60,000 cash prize from Sorrento's. And third place, we got
the $40 cash. Woo.
Yeah.
From
Big
where?
shout out to our sponsors, Daphne, Love of US, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Ministry of Health, as well as the Sorrento's. So thank you for your support for our game. And our theme for tonight is
Marvel Cinematic Universe. That is long. Goodness gracious.
10.
In other words, MCU. Okay.
That
That's right, guys. That was smooth, right?
was pretty bad, but
How dare you? Anyways, first question coming up with our, practice question. True or false? Iron Man 2008 is the first movie in MCU.
true or false?
Okay.
We'll never know, ladies and gentlemen, unless you click that answer.
my sister was born that year. And that's true.
Same here.
Same here. My sister was born in that year too.
Let's get a twin that we don't know.
Now let's see. We don't know.
The correct answer is true.
Wow.
Fascinating, fascinating
So
indeed.
the first MCU movie was Iron Man.
Was it indeed?
Let's think back, guys. Let's throw back and think.
It's not Captain America.
Anyways,
Iron Man 2008 kicked off the entire Marvel Cinematic Universe, and Marvel took a huge risk since Iron Man wasn't even one of their most popular heroes at the time. Wow.
welcome to Virtual Trivia, gang.
Remember our theme selecting round and our photo competition at the end of our game tonight.
Oh,
We got cool beans.
Yeah,
nice.
that's right. Oh, that's
Tinkerbell?
Trivians.
Yo, why don't like Ted?
Chopper.
name?
10.
That's weird.
That's a nice name. Sounds Chinese.
That's weird.
Please, shop.
Actually, that's not a pretty bad name, guys. Keep it up. Oh, there's-
Chopper. What do we got? 2 choppers. Slay. Little new chopper.
I think
Number
something's
12.
going
Number
on.
12 is giving. Mbappe.
Mo Bobby.
Yeah, I don't know what language that is.
Yeah.
But in question 2, in Iron Man 2, what is the name of Tony Stark's assistant before Pepper Potts? A. Natalie Rushman. B. Virginia Pepper Potts. That's well. C. Christine Everhart. That's like Chris Evans if he was a female. Or D. Rowena Zolim. Zolim.
Zolim! Oh,
Wait, do you know a Zolim?
oh my goodness. 29% went for Natalie Rushman. 29% went for Virginia Pepper Potts. 14% went for Christine Everhart. And 29% went for Rowena Zolim.
Which one is it?
We will never know.
I swear these science
There's
kids are
no way
wrecking.
there's a name called Zoe. I just Natalie Rushman.
Natalie Rushman. Which one is this? Is this the brunette one?
Wait, no, I think this is when Natasha Black Widow was pretending, remember?
What is this?
Wait, that's the first one before Pepper Potts?
Yeah, I think, I don't know. When did
I
Pepper
haven't
come in?
figured out a Marvel fan.
Hey, and our fact is Natalie Rushman, aka Natasha Romanoff.
I was right.
She was undercover as Tony's assistant, but in reality, she was a SHIELD spy keeping an eye on him.
Oh.
What spy is that?
She's just, undercover work.
Yeah.
And as you guys, as our spies, you gotta remember what's at stake here.
That's right. But
First place, which is a $100 voucher from Daphne's Love from the U.S.
Lulu has a double ganger, guys.
What the?
Whoa, that's scary.
Guys, something ain't right. Yeah, where's me?
Get
Where's me?
You're playing?
No, I'm top place.
Fourth place is I'm interested whoever is playing fourth place. Say.
I like first place, mix, but like it's my ex.
I like.
I don't know. I'm checking.
Hey, look, it's Symphony. Stephanie.
I love something. Love
Assassin. Assassin.
Suiki.
Why
Stop,
are
man.
There's
Why
two
are there-
Janaya.
Well,
Oh, there's
that's okay. That's
there's
fine.
double of everything.
That's great, you know. Because question 3: who is the main villain in Thor Ragnarok?
Ooh.
Oh shucks.
A, is it Loki? B, Executioner. That's right?
Right.
C, Hela. D, Thanos.
Come on, guys.
Judging by the reaction of Thor, man, he's got to be stoked in seeing who the villain is, right?
I mean,
Guys.
if you haven't watched it, you
Oh.
probably know.
Has to
That
be
ridiculous
sister.
name.
Has to be sister,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
Has to be Hela, right?
Hela.
Hella.
a sister.
Oh, right.
Don't you remember? Oh my gosh, what kind of MCU fan is this?
I am a big MCU fan of Hulk.
That's right.
Not me.
Get out of here. I'm not really a Hulk fan. Like Hulk's cool, but he's not my, it's not my favorite Avenger.
And it is Hela with 39%.
Good
Oh.
on you, Hela. Good on you. Wait, what?
Wait.
That's not actually, that wasn't a good thing. What? Thor, you got some tough competition there.
Hela, the goddess of death. She's Thor's older sister in the movie, making her the first female main villain in the MCU.
Nah,
Wait,
guys,
first?
wait, let's
I
look
thought
at
there was another villain.
I don't
Another
know,
female.
making her
Wait.
the first female
the
main
MCU.
villain?
The MCU movies.
What does that
Let's
mean?
think. Like, she's the first female villain.
So she's Greek?
What?
Oh my gosh, where did that come from? That was so random.
Wait. Okay, now we're gonna have a conversation after this, Lucia. Like, I don't know where that came
No
from.
thanks.
Oh, no, we're gonna have a conversation.
Kakarot.
Kakarot. Oh, hey. I remember that guy from the last game. Tough luck, man.
Shout out to our top 3, Mix, Chopper, and Genji.
Genji.
Genji, I am
I mean,
so sorry.
I think that's how to. I don't know. That's my. What's your guess? That's how to pronounce Genji.
Capasso.
Capasso.
That's right.
I'm going with
That's right.
Genesis.
Genji.
Genji. Genesis.
Captain Marvel.
Question 4. True or false? Captain America's shield is made from vibranium. You guys have to answer this now. I say true.
Is it true or false?
Does it vibrate?
Vibranium.
It's a type of
So
metal.
like what?
So like maybe when you hit it, like with a sword.
It's
or
from
something.
Wakanda.
What
Trust
Oh,
us. Wakanda. It's that metal stuff from Wakanda.
Vibranium?
Yeah, the
real
thing that
element?
made.
Yeah.
Oh, see, guys,
Is it
trust.
It's a fictional world.
Fictional element.
It's a fictional.
But then there is actual. There should vibranium.
No.
should be on the periodic table, right?
No, it's
It's
not.
not. I've never seen a V.
Never seen a
It
VI.
should not always be a V for vibranium.
I've never
Yeah,
seen
it could
a
be
word.
PI.
That's
You know.
fine. That's fine.
Ooh.
It's true.
You're
Vibranium.
right, Wakanda.
Vibranium.
Rare metal found mostly in Wakanda, and it makes Cap's shield nearly. Say that word.
Indestructible.
Indestructible.
that
Who's Caps? Is Caps like Captain?
Yeah, Captain America.
Captain America.
I don't know how you didn't get that one. It's
Caprikas. Okay.
What's that?
you mean Caprica? Caprica.
Yeah, Captain
Caprica. And we got Simba at 8. Interesting. Good to
That's
see you, buddy.
Guys, look at that. Kakarot is up there.
Hey, what does that mean? Kakarot.
The Kakarot's the name of Goku. His actual name. His real name from his birth
Yeah.
planet.
Goku.
Kicks.
Goku from Dragon Ball Z.
Anime.
Yes.
Janaya. Janaya.
Legend.
Was that the first one?
Look, there's like a double of everyone's names.
That's because there's only a few.
That's because they want to show off their names.
That's interesting.
Hey, where's everyone else?
In Avengers, Age of Ultron, what city does the final battle take place in?
I know this one.
I know.
It's where I'm gonna go in the future.
Okay,
Washington.
Can you just
New
read
York.
them? Can you just read them?
A, New York, my dream city. B, Wakanda. C, Washington. And D,
Sokovia.
Sokovia.
Should be
That's-
Slovakia.
Oh, wait. Where is
Right?
Sokovia
Should be Slovakia.
Russia.
What the? Wait.
Age of Ultron. Remember
This is
Ultron?
where Black
Wanda.
Black Man.
Wanda. Scarlet
Yeah,
Witch.
Wanda and Silver. Quicksilver.
Silver Nightingale.
R.I.P.
I need to say
Guys, Sokovia, Russia.
That's where Wanda and Silver Mist is from.
Wanda?
Or is-
Silver Mist, like the
Wakanda,
fairy.
or Wanda.
fairy?
It is Wanda.
Wanda indeed is her name.
The reason why we're asking him, you guys, do you remember the answer?
Do you? Cause guys, this is a
I'm
serious
gonna ask
question.
right now. So, what city is it?
Well, I strongly believe it is in one of the countries of the world where they have the funds to travel to. Well, a city is certainly inside a country.
But guys, do you know what his evil plan was? His evil plan was to make the whole city up in the air and then drop it, treating it like a meteor, which would destroy all of humanity.
What? Zombies telling the nerd.
You got problems? You got problems? I do my homework. I do my homework, gang. I do my homework.
Naruto
Astro Boy
ST
Astro
Superman.
Boy.
Guys, what is Superman doing in the Marvel universe? Get out of here,
You got
DC
Platinum?
player.
You got
Yeah,
Platinum?
Mr. Uguay.
Stop.
But he's like 0.
Tough
Hey.
luck. Tough luck.
That means
Not
not
everyone
playing.
is man. Nibs. Who's Nibs?
Yeah.
Nibs.
That's interesting. Cool Beans is literally like not
What's the
responding.
next question?
Yeah. Why is the next question?
Question 6. Name the actor who plays Doctor Strange.
I know this
Robert
one.
Downey Jr., Tom Holland, Benedict Cumberbatch, Tom Hiddleston, Cumberbatch,
Batch.
Batch. I want to lift your butts.
Okay, guys, but he looks like a Tom.
But he looks sort of like a Robert,
Everyone knows.
but he looks like a junior.
Because I know
someone.
a Benedict.
I didn't say
He
Tom
looks like a
Holland.
Benedict.
I was going to say Tom Hiddleston or something.
Oh, okay.
He looks
I'm
like
kidding, guys.
Oh,
I
Tom
can't.
Jr.
I can't do that to my Tom Hiddleston. Tom Hiddleston's like my favorite.
Yeah, and Spider-Man.
Tom Hiddleston's Loki.
Sorry, guys. Tom Holland's engaged, so sorry.
Hey, and I was
To
right.
Zendaya? They're still together?
They're engaged.
They're engaged.
Whoa! I thought they were like.
But this
Not
is
that
not,
serious.
guys.
just started.
This is not.
And the correct answer was indeed
It's a
Benedict
TV
Cumberbatch.
That's actually a really nice name, like Benedict. Like that sounds so what?
I know Benedict.
It's British.
Yeah.
British?
From a rich family.
British.
My name's Benedict. From the back.
I know Benedict,
From the
and
back.
he's not British. And
Benedict Cumberbatch, guys. Before joining the MCU, he already played another famous genius, Sherlock Holmes.
Yes,
Wait.
I
You watched that?
I watched that
I have
one.
never seen
Really?
it.
Really?
I've seen shorts, but I've never seen the actual show.
I've never seen it.
I feel like I did. I just
Is
forgot.
this the
Sherlock
cartoon?
Holmes.
Is this the cartoon or the actual movie?
I know Sherlock Holmes.
We'll never know, guys. We'll never know.
Okay, yeah, wrong.
Oh, he actually
Are you
plays both in
Capasso?
Sherlock Holmes.
Yeah, that's me. No, I'm Mix and my
You're
wife.
at 8.
Wait, what?
Cabasso's at 8.
Yo, guys, Kakarot fell.
Jinwoo!
Jinwoo.
Allow those nicknames in here.
What Jinwoos?
Jinwoo.
Oh,
Jinwoo from...
I don't know, Jinu.
yeah, so you
Jinyu. Well, Jinyu. Oh my gosh.
Jinwoo.
my
Jin.
God.
Jinwoo. Yeah, from that.
I love that name.
Okay, true.
Question 7. True or false? In Black Panther, T'Challa's sister Shuri is the head of Wakanda's military.
I like those.
True or false?
Those names give like chills up your spine.
T'Challa. That's not very chilly.
Okay, guys, let's look at the environment in that picture. Do you see weapons?
No.
No.
I think she's
I
more
see-
of
there's
the
no
strategist, the weapon maker,
Strategist.
I see
strategist,
The strategist.
strategist.
She's smart, guys. Look
Yeah.
at her.
Exactly.
Are you saying people who are in the military can't be smart, Alicia?
You know what? Maybe we shouldn't bring up that type of question.
No, you said. You know? It's very contradictory. You know?
That's why I said she's smart because she's in the military.
It is indeed false, guys. You gotta think about this ethically, logically, and emotionally. She would never have the emotional capacity to handle a military.
What?
Right?
No.
Right?
No.
No, guys, I think I take that back.
came out wrong.
This is turning into a personal portrait.
It's a big ass false. Shuri is actually the head of Wakanda's technology and science division.
Nah, man, what the flip?
She's
Shuri.
the genius behind Black Panther's gadgets. The military is led by General Okoye and Dora Milaje.
Milaje.
These words are tongue twisting.
Milaje. Milaje. Let's go do our homework for this.
This is scary.
You sound.
Okay, guys. Who is this mix up there?
It's me, guys. Trust. It's me.
Just makes you hide her phone.
Oh, look at that. Any man. Well, I saw a name called Eddie Man.
Isaac Jeff.
Minx.
Does anyone
Minx?
know an Isaac Jeff?
That sounds so familiar.
Why is animes coming in?
Sly Fox. Hey. We
Rawr.
are all out.
Sammy. I see Sammy. Nice to meet you, Sammy.
We got Alicia. Oh, it's
Alicia.
Oh, where did we go? Which Infinity Stone is located on Vormir?
Vormir.
Vormir.
Oh, really? My bad.
It's Vormir.
Is it A, mind, B, space, C, soul, D,
Oh, shoot.
power?
Wait, guys, where is Vormir?
I know this.
I'm inevitable.
Look at what he's doing.
Inevitable.
Look at what he's doing.
That's the word.
Yeah. Showing us the colors, guys.
Wait, is that?
Why is it a monkey?
Is that a monkey version of Thanos?
So guys.
Probably.
I knew it.
Is it the- are you-
stone.
No, I was actually thinking it was a reality stone.
That's my
McDonald's.
favorite stone.
Right.
Soul stone.
You like the soul stone?
Yeah.
I like
Why?
I
space.
love the soul.
You
The
like
orange
space,
one.
I like the space.
Got
I
it.
like the red one. I like the red one, guys.
Red one.
That's
And the
reality
correct
stone.
answer was indeed
Why is
56%
there more than
Soul Stone.
The reason why the reality stone is my favorite is because everyone here needs a reality check. That's right.
And everyone needs to look for their souls. Well, I mean, work on their souls. Sorry.
space is ooh.
The soul stone.
That's your reality check.
To get it, someone has to sacrifice what they love most.
Oh, yeah, I
making it
remember
the most
this.
tragic stone to claim. Why would you love that?
Is that why you?
Because Leisha likes the challenge, guys.
No, I only liked it because I played the Marvel game on PS4 or whatever.
Oh, and then when you
So it was like
you
the
take their
most
soul.
useful gamer.
So, is this
Yeah.
nerd here?
Yeah, she's literally a nerd, guys. She does her schoolwork. She does her schoolwork.
Are you sure? Just, yeah, she is, like, right now.
The last time I checked, she did her school.
Again, our top 3 is Minx, Chopper, and Egg.
Who is this mix?
Oh, shit.
Straw Hat Pirates in the lead.
Woo! Where am I? Wait, I'm at the top.
Where am I? Oh, there I am.
I'm at the top. I'm at
Flipped, guys.
Chopper.
These names are.
And the next question, where is it?
We don't know.
Question 9.
No, bro.
It's Spider-Man Homecoming. Who plays Peter Parker?
Oh my gosh.
Tom Hardy.
Tom Hanks.
Tom Hanks.
Holland, Tom Hardy.
Or Andrew Garfield.
Guys, be so for
Very
real.
tricky, guys.
We all know who
What's-
Tom
what's
Hanks
Garfield?
is. Who's Tom Hanks again?
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding
No,
me?
imagine-
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump. I told you guys to remember. Remember.
Forrest Gump. Have you ever seen Forrest Gump? Dang, you guys need to go watch a movie. It's
Tom Holland. Okay, people actually, they're not that.
Yeah, no, it's Andrew
Damn
Garfield,
it.
bro.
Of course they gotta.
Why
know.
would
This
anyone
has
go for-
gotta
you
be
know
the
what?
shoe.
But this is for Homecoming.
What?
Okay, clearly there's something going on behind the screens. Everybody knows it's Tom Holland. Apologies. Apologies for what just happened right
Guys,
now.
Tom Hanks. I knew it. I knew it.
Oh,
I knew it.
You guys don't know that Tom Holland's name is actually a stage name. His real name's Tom Hanks. You guys are so slow.
Lisa, don't get
What is going
this
on?
girl, man.
What is going on, guys?
The world has come to an end.
What?
Tom Holland.
The Tom Holland.
He was only 19 when first cast as Spider-Man, making him the youngest actor to play a role
I'm 19.
in live action.
We're 19.
19.
Shut
Hold
up.
on.
I'm sorry.
When is Spider-Man Homecoming? When was this?
It was a long time ago.
There's no way he looked like that when he was 19.
No. This is him now.
This
No,
is
I
him
mean,
now. He
like-
doesn't look.
Bro,
I am Spider-Man. Anyways, I
Oh,
know.
Zendaya.
a
But you
whole
know
bunch
he's
of you guys
British.
are complaining.
Hey,
I'm
Zendaya
complaining
is our
too.
age, actually.
What? She's your age.
Zendaya is like
humbling me right now.
Yo, dude, Zendaya's like 23.
20. Yeah.
That's your age. I'm
No,
not there.
Tom Holland.
No.
I'm not there
Literally
yet.
acting
No.
movies, I'm here.
Yes.
What are you gonna do about it? Anyways, guys, CS Skocks. Nice. I thought it meant something else.
See us, Skuggs. Okay,
Which is
just
cool.
finished. And
Yeah,
everyone
guys.
else.
I feel like we're gonna get a lot of hate for what happened just now, but it's okay.
We're so
Don't hate on us.
apologize.
Because true or false, in Avengers Infinity War, Thanos sacrifices Gamora to obtain the Soul Stone.
Why? True or false?
Yes. I totally
That's
believe
definitely true.
it is false.
I just saw the movie recently.
My little one,
You just watched.
Yeah.
because that was his first
See,
child.
why does the monkey turn blue, but then he's actually purple?
I think it was a different
What?
shade. The guys,
Why?
this is another conversation we had a while back. Oh,
She's
Anyone
like
wanna
she's
know?
like Alphaba.
Girl,
What?
stop. Girl, please. Girl, please.
This, Lisha. My days. Stop bringing wicked into everything.
Half sister.
And
so-
it is true.
Yeah, that was really sad.
I think it was like.
I wish she found prettily. She was like,
Oh my god.
it wasn't pretty. It was
cold.
that.
It was
It was like
that.
this. I was like, bro.
It felt
wasn't
like her
nice.
legs were about to touch her shoulders, like the way she landed.
No, it was like that.
Like that.
No?
Oh, yeah, wala pa nga Gamora. Yeah, the fact them.
That's a pretty name, Gamora.
It's true. The Soul Stone demands a soul for a soul, making Gamora's sacrifice one of the MCU's darkest moments.
Was it her sacrifice though? Was it?
Or was it?
Yeah,
the
it was
other girl,
her
Black
murder.
Widow?
But then I did hear that Gamora is like more valuable to him than Nebula though.
That makes sense, guys. Come on.
You know the other sister's name?
Nebula is
Nebula,
like
yeah.
That's in space. That's far.
Nebula, the daughter.
Yeah, exactly.
The other one.
That's her name, and she's bold.
It's not like she chose it, Lisha. There was no option. Plus, it was
She
because
doesn't even look like him. Okay, that's why. She got
Mix, Chopper, and
Who is
Ace.
this Mix? You are so awesome.
Thank you. That's me.
I know, but like, no, she's probably assassin.
No, look, she's so humble, bro. She doesn't want anyone to know that she's.
Thank you.
Question 11. What is the name of the organization Natasha Romanoff worked for before joining S.H.I.E.L.D.?
Oh my goodness. I think I know.
S.H.I.E.L.D.
I think Hydra. Look at that. You know.
She is Russian.
Nah. Look at her. Look at the way she's jumping,
Guys,
and look at her
she's
hair.
Russian.
Look at her hair.
Rebel Roses.
No.
Iron Maiden.
Red room.
The Red Room?
See, she just jumped out of the red room.
That's a helicopter.
Yeah. What's
Probably
inside
the
that
helicopter is red,
Bro.
At least a lot of people
What is the
think
name of
it's,
the organization?
why does everyone think it's Hydra? Hydra died out, you know? Like Hydra didn't last long.
See? Bro, I can't.
What?
Neither did I, Alicia.
What is this?
Is it really Red
Wait,
Room?
Black
The
Widow.
Black Widow movie, huh? The
She's
Red
so
Room. Yeah.
pretty. Look at her
The
hair.
organization was the Red Room.
Does anyone want to dye their hair like that? I've always wanted to.
I tried.
Nope, I don't want to.
I wanted a cherry red, but
She actually did it.
it.
The Red Room. It was a secret Soviet program that trained young girls to become elite spies and assassins. Natasha was one of their top agents. Ooh, one of
Guys.
your top agents?
Nope. Romanoff.
I actually haven't seen the actual movie Black
Soviet.
Widow.
Same here. I've seen it. I've seen bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Like this very part. I've seen it, but then I.
Oh, you were correct.
Wait, I went for B, whatever B was. You guys go watch the live again on
Hydra.
Facebook.
Oh, yeah, Iron Maidens. That was
true,
it.
true.
That was it.
Yeah,
It's
that was-
wrong. It was the Hydra.
Superman, what's up? Superman's actually my favorite DC hero.
Lulu.
But right now it's
Hey, I don't have
Batman.
my phone
It's
on,
her.
so I'm not playing.
It's probably
Whoever
someone in your
is my
family.
impersonator right now.
That's the only person with the emoji.
Yeah, what happened,
You want an
guys?
emoji? I'll give you an emoji.
Emojis are dying out. Don't let it die out, guys.
Yeah, but don't use it too much.
Yo, dude, imagine what? Which? Question 12. Who is the villain in Ant-Man and the Wasp? Okay, Nisha, now I'm gonna join the game right
I know
now.
who this is. Moda.
Queen Bee.
Is it
Queen
A?
Ghost Whirlwind Queen.
Hey, what? It's who's the villain?
It looks like a
If I ask who's the female, who's Ant-Man? Queen Bee.
Wasp. It's right there.
Guys, I don't like
Wasp.
this. You know, I'm gonna just
It kinda
appreciate all the
gives
movies.
Please call her Queen Bee.
Modok.
Modok. You guys don't, nah, it can't be Modok because you know
Nah,
Modok
it's
is?
Whirlwind. What are ants and wasps afraid of?
Modok.
Whirlwinds.
Modok's that guy that went tiny and then he has a really big head. What? That's right, guys. It's Ghost, the girl that can like phase into things.
Isn't her name Phantom?
Oh, I know, like that.
Like that.
I've been going
Hi,
with Phantom the entire time.
What?
I am not an MCU fan. It's okay.
I am a big
Hey.
MCU fan. I'm the big. I know
I'm a One
everybody.
Piece fan, but we're not gonna talk about that because this is MCU.
So, Ghost, Ava Star. She isn't purely evil. Her powers come from a quantum accident, and she's actually trying to survive, making her more of an anti-hero than a traditional villain.
You're right.
You get it.
You're
You're
right.
right. You get no. You don't. You don't
How
understand
dare
it. You don't understand it, bro. Let me explain. Let me explain. Just give it a second. I'm letting it process in my head. So anti-hero, you know, they're not bad. They're not committing crimes because they want to.
No. Guys, here's the definition of an anti-hero. An anti-hero is a hero who doesn't abide by the law.
Exactly.
But they still do righteous things.
No, shut up! True.
Wait.
No.
Anti-hero. Wait,
It's Taylor
anti-hero,
Swift
right?
single.
So like they usually like defeat their enemies like permanently. That's an anti-hero.
Anti-heroes
Guys,
have to do bad
One
things
is
for
the
good
opposite
cause.
of hero.
Right?
Anti-hero.
Wait,
What's
technically.
anti-hero? A villain.
It's not a
It's not talking to you.
It's not a hero nor a villain.
Hey, okay. True or false? The quantum realm is first introduced in Ant-Man 2015.
No. Wrong.
No.
So it's like Ant-Man Part 1.
Wait, what? Eminem?
Ant-Man Part 1.
MM.
Guys, think about it. Ant-Man Part 1, at the end, he shrinks to the size of the quantum world and he comes back.
Yeah.
I thought he squeezed into the size.
So, it's technically,
Not an ant. He squeezed to the size of the quantum.
yeah, that's the first Ant-Man, 2015.
Adam, not a quantum.
2015!
No, it's the recent one.
Said the recent one was in 2020 something.
Yeah, that's a pretty recent one. That can't
That's
be
a
true.
recent.
That is true. What
Well,
the other thing?
round.
is-
No, it's about the quantum round.
Quantum realm.
At the end, where he shrinks all the way so tiny just to get into the suit and destroy the suit, the bad guy.
Wasn't his wife in there as well?
The
Hey,
other guy.
the quantum round.
It's
Guys,
true. The
it was
quantum realm is
Introduced. That means they spoke about it. My days. But either way, he also made it to the quantum realm.
Yep, and the quantum realm is a subatomic dimension where normal rules of time and space don't
Subatomic.
apply. Later, be quiet. It becomes key to time travel in the MCU.
MCU.
Wait, subatomic would be what? Like an atom.
It's like
Sub.
smaller.
A sub of the atom.
Maybe we should go to the leaderboard.
Subatomic. That's even. It's
Like
even
smaller?
It's even
Smaller
smaller.
than an atom.
Even smaller.
That's possible. That's possible.
I swear,
Hypothetically.
what does that do to the molecules of your body?
That means I don't know.
We're looking at you. We're looking at
Why
you.
you don't look at me? I don't even know.
Guys, doctor, not rocket science. It's okay.
Ah,
Hey.
so she'll tell you what'll happen if you do it without the suit. You?
Me?
Wait.
I do have a coat.
I need to join this game so I can show Felicia what a real Marvel fan is.
Oh yeah! Oh
Even though
yeah!
we have 6 questions to go. In Guardians of the Galaxy, what is the name of the character?
I
voiced
know
by
this
Vin
is.
Diesel?
What? I know.
Can someone read the names?
A. Rocket. B. Drax. Not Drake. C. Branch. D. Groot.
I know it's Groot.
Yeah, it's definitely
Not
me.
gonna lie, if I were a novice,
Wait.
You can hear it.
Ratchet.
Can you hear it?
Ratchet. Rocket.
I am Groot.
No. No, I don't.
No, it could be Rocket.
It's Groot.
You don't know that, bro.
It could be Rocket.
Can
Ratchet.
you hear Vin
Rocket.
Diesel and Groot? I can.
Oots.
Groot. Groot has.
And I told you it was Groot.
Hi guys.
That's right, guys.
But then Drax is someone else.
I'm too late, guys. I only have 6 more questions to answer to get my place up in the top 3. That's right.
Sorry, Eni, you
do
can't
it.
beat me.
So Groot.
Rockety rock Groot.
Even though Vin Diesel voices him, Groot always ever says 3 words. I am Groot. Yet he expresses a whole range of emotions with them.
What?
That's artistic.
Guys,
That's
here, let's
art
try.
right there.
No, that's called talent.
Let's stop using that.
Say I am. No, we'll talk, but we say our own thing. Virtual trivia. Virtual trivia?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Virtual trivia.
Virtual trivia.
My days. Are you making fun of me?
Virtual
Are you making fun
trivia.
of me, Felicia?
Shout out to our top 3. The third place it keeps on changing, but our top 2 remains.
Thank you. Yes.
Superman.
Yes. As humble as I am, I must
That's right,
announce that I am in the top
Clark
10.
Kent.
Where are your emojis? Where are your emojis for your names, eh?
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's why I agreed. I completely forgot that was the reason.
What is the name of Tony Stark's AI assistant in Avengers Age of Ultron?
I got this. Is it A, Harris, B, Jorgen, C, Jarvis, C, D, Janice?
Nah,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
not doing it right.
Jules.
H-A-R-R-I-S.
Keep going.
B,
Michael Jordan.
Jorgan, C, Jarivis, or D, Jinice.
Guys,
stop.
sing the song Tony is singing.
Harris, Target. Wait, what
Wake
the?
up, dance. Okay, guys, stop.
No, please don't.
Something that Nisha's is live.
Wow, you guys actually know this.
Some
This is
people went for
amazing.
Jorgen.
I know it's in it.
Wait, no,
I
no,
just
Who's the other
know.
one other than Jarvis?
I know.
Who's
Harris.
the other that's other than
ChatGPT.
Jarvis?
Hey, yo.
There's another one.
There's another one.
There's
I know. Linda.
Belinda.
Actually, no. Linda would be a valid name.
Not Linda.
Karen.
What?
Hey,
That's
Kinda
Plankton.
Plankton. Yes, the one. SpongeBob. SpongeBob SquarePants.
no. What's Plankton's wife's name?
Karen.
Jerivis. Jarvis stands for just a rather very intelligent system, and later evolves into the hero Vision. Oh, whoa.
Whoa, what?
Yeah.
Listen to man.
So that's what I thought.
What do you mean?
He's the second system.
Vision.
He's the second system.
But
Wait.
look at the name. Look
Did you
at the
remember
long
that Robo
form.
guy?
Oh my gosh.
Just a rather very.
Wait, no. I'm so confused. I need to. You
That is
guys
so
gotta read the
intelligent.
comics.
I'm just a
Guys, Iron Man was like so intellectually like.
What if we say that to other people?
Geeked.
I'm a Jarvik. Just a rather very intelligent girl.
Jarvip.
Why do they say
Jarvis,
smart Alec?
Vip.
though? Why do
Simba.
Why do they say smart Alec? Huh? Why do they say smart Alec if you're a smart person?
They say that.
Yeah, stop
People
being a
say
smart Alec.
I never knew that.
I've only been called a green
It's
toad.
like a figure of speech.
It's a green toe. It is.
I'm-
I've never heard that one though. But is it true or false? In Captain Marvel, Carol Danvers gains her powers from the Tesseract.
Tesseract.
Wait.
Not a cataract.
Did it just? What's cataract?
Kakarot.
When you get blind, you're gonna have something in your eyes.
I see. Dang. You hear that, guys? Tesseract, not cataract.
Explain to them what cataract is.
You get these things in your eyes and it makes you go blind. So if you see something white in your eye, go to the doctor.
Wait, can
I'm
you
not joking.
shave it
Take
off?
note, guys.
No, like you just get blind. Like
It's very dangerous,
side
guys.
effects of what? Radiation.
Is that why blind people have
telephones.
Did you say phones? Because I said
And too much Roblox. 68%. It is true. No, I play my Bible.
Nah,
I don't play. You know, there's questions.
Okay.
You know, like
Oh, yeah,
what mountain did
yeah.
Jesus go?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
follow.
Five
Follow.
more
what mountain was it?
you-
What?
So it is true.
Give it up
The
to figure it
Tesseract
out.
contains the Space
I'm
Stone, and its energy explosion gives Carol her superhuman strength, flight, and energy projection.
Don't tell
What?
me Space Stone is the blue stone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Nah, bro, it's the Tesseract. Yo, guys,
wait,
that means
what's
if another explosion from the Tesseract, everyone else can have powers.
No, the Tesseract contains
No,
the
for
Space
real.
Stone.
Like, no, imagine that. If there was a huge explosion from the Tesseract that goes all the way around the Earth.
And then there'd be like multiple Captain
everyone
Marvels.
has powers.
There would be mini Marvel. Jumbo Marvel.
Alright, look at this, guys. Top 3 stay consistent.
Iron Man lives. Did anyone see that until
Yeah,
now?
I saw.
I just saw it.
What? Where did you come
Hey,
from?
you're right, bro.
Did anyone see Sammy?
You
I saw
want to look
that.
at Superman right now? Where'd you come from?
Are you kidding me? Superman's been there for
Oh, yeah.
Top 3 for the 3 questions.
That's 3 questions. It seems someone's not paying attention to
Oh my
our
gosh,
report.
Mix is so smart.
Yeah, thank you.
Who vanquishes Loki in Avengers Infinity War? Wait, did you stop because you didn't know how to pronounce that?
Wait, oh, no. I can obviously say that word. Who vanquishes?
Nah, guys, don't be literal like that.
You're good, you're good.
Dun, dun, dun,
Hey, how come you guys know it's Thanos, you liars? What if it's Hulk?
Wait, no, but he did absolutely destroy him in that
Where are the Dark
Ultra.
Elves?
In the Ultra, you know, Ultra Man?
Hey guys,
Ultron! You know, and Hulk grabbed him and he's like, dum, 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 dum.
Puny God. That's why he called him after smashing him.
what?
Puny God.
Wait, isn't that the one with the 4? Wait.
Isn't that the one they use for memes?
Well, why haven't we moved on? To the
What's
correct
going
answer.
on, Loki? Are we slowing down?
Yeah, Loki's my favorite.
Loki's so slow that
Nah,
he's
yeah.
literally
Shouldn't
goes
Shouldn't
down
Loki be
again.
an anti-hero too?
He got back.
No, he's
Yes.
a villain. He's a villain.
No, he is an anti-hero because he started off bad.
No way, because he's the villain.
And then
He ended up good.
he
That was like at
slowly,
the very end.
very slowly but surely became better.
Slowly but surely, yes. And guys, welcome. This is our chat time.
This is our Loki.
Our
moment.
time.
It is our time to take a time out.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do something where we go around, starting from Felicia, who our favorite MCU character is. Did I put you on the spot? Yes, I did.
Okay, no. Start with the beautiful lady right here.
No, because I put her on the spot a while ago, so I'm putting you on the spot now.
Let's put you on the spot, MCU.
Yeah.
No, because I said it first, so it's
Come
your
on.
turn.
Come on.
It's you. It's you. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go with I stopped you.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of the character.
Okay, you know what? We'll start from Lulu. That's right. We're gonna pass on the spot. Sorry.
Oh, I know. Scarlet Witch.
Oh, that's so valid. That's valid.
Duh.
Yeah.
You take Scarlet Witch, then I will take Quicksilver.
Oh,
Brother and sister, I see.
R.I.P.
Oh, okay, brother. Chroma Clad.
In Wonder's world.
Yeah, no, that's all.
Yeah,
an
he
illusion.
did.
That's all an illusion, man. It's an illusion. That world is literally an illusion. But you know what? It's okay. I know.
I'll take on Black
some
Widow.
of us. You take Black Widow?
Oh, she did too.
Definitely.
Oh, R.I.P. R.I.P.
Oh my God.
And my one, I'm not gonna say it because I know what Becca's gonna say after I say it.
We'll
Just
say
say it. We said ours.
Come on.
Captain America.
My bad.
Oh. Goes to
Tom
the
Holland.
brothers.
But I like Tom, but yeah, not that much.
Yeah, no, Captain America's pretty good. Maybe I should just choose his wife.
My-
As like my favorite MCU character.
Oh, what's her name?
Wanda.
Alright,
Maybe it's
I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint.
You know her name?
Starts with a B.
Barbara.
Beatrice.
No.
Letters.
Bertram.
Wait.
Butler.
5 letters.
B.
Guys, posting
what?
round. In our posting round, let these guys know what her name is, because I'm not gonna
B
spoil the
what?
fun.
B.
B like B for boy.
B. Second.
And now, guys, let's get on with our game with question. What was the next
What
question?
question did we leave off
17. And the correct answer was indeed
Brenda.
What?
ChatGPT is not your friend.
Brenda. I didn't try to be.
It's Brenda?
It's not Brenda.
It is.
LeBron James.
It's not Beatrice. That's his.
Okay, it is Thanos. Loki dies in the very first scene of the movie. Oh my gosh. Shocking fans
Aura.
because
Nope.
it was unexpected and marked a major turning point in the MCU universe.
You know who my favorite? What was it?
Blaine.
No.
Blondie?
No.
B-L-A-I-N-E.
disappointing. 5 letters?
B-L-O-N.
Blake.
No.
B-L-A-K.
And Mix, that is me with 1,095 points. No one is going to beat me at
Wow,
this
this
point.
Mix
She's actually
person
ranked
is-
17.
You guys don't know me.
She's just paradoxical.
How do you know it's a she?
I am Mix the whole time.
Really?
Yeah, that's what she's like. That was you the whole time. It's Lynn, guys. I don't know Lynn.
Yeah, I love that. You guys know that Lynn store? No, we will not do free advertisement up here, but
Thank
I love
you.
that store.
But you literally
I
just
love
mentioned
Lynn.
it.
They got my yogurt.
You know what? I love Daphne's love from the U.S. What is the name of the planet where Star-Lord finds the orb Power Stone in Guardians of the Galaxy?
I got it. I know it. Is it A, Morak, B, Tarta, C, Xandar, or D, Sakaar?
And then that guy's like, hey, hey, what the matter with with the wind.
Morag.
Power
Blaine.
Stone is the purple one, right?
Yeah,
No, Power
that's the
Stone
one.
is Power.
Power Stone. Oh no, not Barb.
Which one is it? Which one is it? Let's just eeny, miny, mo.
My guess is Morag.
I honestly went with the right answer.
Morag is the correct answer, guys. Clearly, 70% of you are indeed true. And
No one
true
actually.
No, I bet y'all are just LGBTI and
Becca. That's
Becky.
That was one try. One try.
No, that was her third. And Morag, Peter Quill grabs the Power Stone before anyone else, setting off the chain of events that brings the Guardians together.
Peter Quill, that was his name. But you know what his name is in real life? Brad Pitt.
No,
Wait, guys, what?
wait, no, it's not.
It's Brad.
No, it's not.
I think it's right.
It's not Brad Pitt.
Who's Brad Pitt?
Brad Pitt was Angelina Jolie's first husband.
Oh, stop.
Oh, Say Felicia. Mix is
I know
Brad
his name.
Pitt.
It's
Chris.
Chris.
Chris Evans. Chris Hemsworth.
No.
Chris. Mix with 1,100.
Pratt. It's Chris Pratt.
I know Chris Pitt or Chris Pratt.
I know Brad Pitt. Oh, Chris Pratt.
You're
Shout out
close,
to our top
You're
3.
close.
Oh, Superman moved up to second place.
Nolan.
Miss Nolan? Who? Wait, is
Yeah.
that? Wait, no way.
Who's that?
You missed
Zeus? Is that Zeus or
Who's Kicks?
Zeus.
Kicks for Kickapua?
The post-credit scene
I
of
don't
Iron
know.
Man 3 teases the formation of the Avengers.
Yeah.
Oh,
True.
Yeah, that's true.
it kind of gives.
But that's not the Avengers.
Just imagine all the Avengers getting like at least one suit as a souvenir. I want one.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think any of them would be able to like handle the suits, you know, because like you know how much balance it takes and some
Did you
mind
notice
power.
that nearly every superhero can beat another superhero?
Oh my goodness, really?
So anyone can just pick up Thor's hammer.
No.
It's surprising that Captain America did.
Oh,
Right?
He only brought it up.
At the end. The end.
You only did it because
The reaction on Thor's face when he picked it up. True, it's 65%. Wow.
For real?
I told you, Amy.
It's oh my gosh. The post-credit scene of Iron Man 3 actually teases Tony Stark testing a new Iron Man suit. Avengers teases started after the first Iron Man movie and more.
So many questions.
What is going on?
So many
Yep.
questions right now. So many questions.
No, they're just teasing the formation of another movie.
Exactly, guys. So if you close your eyes and look away, you will realize that everything doesn't matter. Right, guys? Because the top 3 is by far very far with points.
At least you're still at the top.
I don't think 15 is a good name.
15.
Becca, you got one more and then you're in first place.
Thank you. No, I am first place. Wait.
Oh, wait. I mean, you're gonna get
Guys,
that $100 voucher.
The next question is the last question. Really?
Oh, really?
I was too late.
In Doctor Strange, which relic does Doctor Strange use to manipulate him? Guys, stop. Easy.
I know this one.
Okay, read it.
What the flip? What is it? The Oculus.
Cloak of Levitation. B, the Oculus of Xander. C, the Orb of Batum. D, the Eye of Agamotto. Agamotto.
No. I swear he said it in a way that.
Wait, guys. Oculus. Doesn't that mean like something to do with the eye?
Oculus of
Oculus kind of.
Yeah, you're right.
Sounds
Ocular.
cooler too. Right? The cloak of levitation. Come on, guys.
Constant.
I
I
know,
know.
like levitating.
Yeah,
and
but
then the orb is just the orb.
Orb of Batum. I think the orb tells where people are. You know?
It's like the fortune thing.
No.
So he's holding the eye.
Agamotto. Moto.
That's fascinating. Absolutely fascinating.
Goes Moto.
Why are we talking about Moto?
Well, Motormoto's definitely not MCU. I think.
Madagascar.
That's the one.
I think they might fight in Madagascar.
Ooh, the Eye of Agamotto. It contains the Time Stone, letting Doctor Strange rewind loop,
Yeah,
or
there
fast forward time. A huge game changer in the MCU. Guys.
Yep. Remember to vote for our next theme on our next round, and send us a picture of your Avengers team.
We're so sorry.
Wow.
We didn't do it.
Didn't even finish that. Team is so mean right now. Wow. And wow, look at that. Our first place is me.
It's me. What?
1, 2, 3, 4. They're
Ooh.
Wow.
That is so lucky.
That's so consistent. Like, you're such a consistent person.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! I didn't know what you guys were talking about.
Bessa just caught on, but that's okay, because not everyone.
I mean, if she was mixed, she would have known, right?
You're right.
Fair points, right?
Oh,
Perchance you're trying to pick a fight with me, buddy.
must hurt.
Perchance, no. The probability of that is 0.
Ooh.
That's right, guys. Shouldn't you guys be studying?
Exactly. What?
Question 1, true or false?
Let's
Iron Man.
revise for
That's
10.
1. Question 20. In Doctor Strange, which relic does Doctor Strange use to manipulate
Let's go.
time?
What is it? That's right. The Oculus of Zen. So that's the time stone, eh?
Yeah.
I hate the time stone.
It's so.
It's
No, I like it when you're using it in the when you're playing a
right.
game. Yeah, like
So you don't have to lose. Isn't that a
this
cheat
is how you
code?
move it. Like this is your rival.
I don't think we should do it though. It could be bad.
Move there, move there. You know? What?
What?
Okay, let's just do it. And then he's like,
That's how you open up a portal.
maybe I should
Oh
stop.
my god.
No, I mean no. In the game, when you do your time stone, you go behind.
Okay,
the
what about your
rival.
soul stone?
You just zoom.
Yeah! And we got our top 3. Everybody, if you guys don't know who these guys are, we're back.
Our team just loves revision, guys.
We just
We're like
love
the revision group.
Recapping. Do we have an exam coming up for Marvel Universe?
No, we don't.
Perchance we do.
Guys, I'd also like to announce our new game. It's not really a game. It's more like a funsies. Funsies.
Yeah, tell
It's
them.
called the Quick 5 Quest. Or quiz. What? Name it.
Q5Q?
The Q5Q, that's the one.
Cuckoo.
So like, okay. So, okay, it's a bit. Oh,
Winners.
I didn't even finish my announcement.
Oh, I love it. Let's
Haters,
go.
but it's
We
okay.
got Chopper. We're Superman.
Nobody touch up.
Superman's literally second.
Oh, we're Superman. Good job,
Oh,
Superman.
yeah.
And then we got 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there's only 1 point, Super. Nice. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you, everyone.
That's actually your best.
That's me. I will come to collect my $100 voucher.
Which you will steal.
I will come and find your Superman.
My mix.
And my
Can
ex.
you please tell us who you are? Show us on the photo.
No.
Show us your Avengers
And
team.
Don't.
also you Superman. Don't even put up a photo of Superman.
I
That's
think
not
I
me.
know this Superman.
And our players again.
I think I know this Superman.
Are you like close?
It's a friend.
Kakashi.
Friend.
Where are we?
False hope. Kakashi. Sorry. False hope. Kakashi.
Oh, wow.
What should be our next theme? A. Science and technology.
Guys, this is so
If you
easy.
guys pick C, I'm going to lose it. I'm
Wow.
going to lose it.
Wait, why is that even in there? That should
What
be.
should our
For a
I low-key want to do Pacific Islands. If you guys don't choose
Wait,
Pacific Islands,
I need to vote.
you probably don't have.
Nah, let's talk about
It
the
should be
animal
an
kingdom.
other. It should be an other.
Animal Kingdom, guys. My vote's on Animal Kingdom. Not because
Yeah,
you said
Animal
it.
Kingdom.
Ah, it's too late.
My vote is on Pacific Islands because
Animal Kingdom.
maybe you should let me talk.
Wait, how many Pacific Islands are there?
What the
is
frick?
wrong with you people?
Everyone has chosen other.
I bet you all are under the age of 5.
I know.
You're only kidding.
Yes,
Kidding.
I have it. I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, that's right.
The
That's real.
lowest, one of the lowest categories.
No, it's because the other 2 are tied, and I don't want to choose between them.
Because I love science.
Keep doing tired.
And I also love the Pacific. So we must go with the animals.
It hurt me more than it hurts you.
So you don't love animals?
I think
love
you're the only
animals.
10%.
I'm scared of animals.
I love them.
Now everybody, let's see what the correct answer is. Please review the correct. That is right. Yay! We have next week's theme. For the option other, please give a suggestion on our photo competition. No. We've already made up our mind. This option means we have already chosen next week's theme, but your suggestions will not be put into. Actually, no, guys.
We'll just see if I like it.
That's just Felicia, guys.
Like I said, I think there's only 2 people voted for Animal Kingdom.
What?
Right?
Linda.
No,
Because it's like you as 5%.
I didn't even get time to vote. I missed the voting round.
What's that code?
I think it's to join the photo competition.
R5R2A.
R5QR. Oh. R5RQA.
Say it faster.
R5RQA. Don't try me. You say it.
RQA.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. No posts have been submitted yet to the social web posts.
Submit in your posts, everybody. We want to see how fun MCU was for you and show your family smiling during the game.
Felicia, turn on your laptop.
Wait, don't give me.
The animals and do the animals.
Let's go.
Okay, I got it. Guys, don't try me.
That's right. That's right.
Don't try me. Don't try me.
So my phone's acting up, but we will wait on you. Oh yeah.
I appreciate the mic. Guys, remember, just send the photo of your cat or dog. And please talk to people about the new game you were talking about.
Oh yes. Oh come on.
Oh yeah.
My favorite animal.
Oh, wow.
Is that Emma?
That's your pick.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! So close to that. Linda, Linda, you smart girl. Hey guys, stop. The new game.
Linda.
I don't know.
Game on! I'm ready, law. What is that? Colors?
I think that's Boston, Choppy P, and Sub.
Okay.
You want politics.
Yo, calm down.
We're not gonna say anything.
That's guys. That's
You're
just
not gonna get us canceled.
Game on the middle.
I only see indent.
Independence.
Say indent.
Tots?
Let's leave it alone, guys.
It's Tala.
We're not gonna touch that.
Tala.
We're not gonna touch it.
That should be a flag, though.
Yeah,
That looks
guys.
like a flag.
But anyways,
This
the
goes
new
for
game.
every party.
Yes.
Very open-minded.
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 Have you seen my?
Hurry up. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa. You want to?
You're right. Oh yes.
Hey!
Oh, you want to know about the new game? That's what you're talking about. I'm so sorry.
Right.
I'm so sorry. Tata. Anyways, so the new game is that around midday and after school, like when kids come back home, we're gonna post up a link. A QR code. From there, you can play mini games of retro trivia. You know, about like 5 to 10 questions. It really depends on how our game is feeling that day. Jokes. It is 10 questions. And from there, you can even get questions that we're gonna play on trivia night. Some questions.
That sounds like cheating.
Study game.
Oh no, that's
Before
not
the actual
studying.
game. It's like a study game before the actual game.
Yeah. Well,
Well, you're not.
Well, it is kind of called quiz 5 questions.
Thanks for the night. Thank you. Me bobas. Me bobas.
Ooh, I like your name. I don't know what it means, but I like.
Me bobas.
yeah, there's like
Me bobas.
I know one's posting
Siap.
because they're angry we chose Animal Kingdom.
yeah, or
I can sense the hate, guys.
Guys, because I'm telling you, Animal Kingdom is the
Yo,
best.
yeah, I sing a Papa Pingaki. Oh yes, yes, I love peanuts.
Pingaki. I Pingaki.
Which Pingaki are you referring to?
Eats Apa Pingaki. So they oi.
Oh, it's winner.
So family.
Ah.
We'll think about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's a self portrait. You look beautiful.
The best. Hey, wait. Do you guys see that name? The appropriate,
Yeah.
appropriate one? That's their phone number.
Oh.
Where?
Is it a phone number? No, that's just a bunch
Oh,
of
sorry.
numbers.
Wait, no, we didn't mean to attack you. We're taking that phone number.
Carnelian.
The man.
The
Who's
man.
Cornelian?
Like Cornelius.
My favorite animal. Yes.
Nice.
Coriolanus? It's my favorite.
Ezra. Is that Ezra? Esmond?
It's Enderman.
Any man.
Man, I remember you.
Any
Cornelian.
man.
Who's Carnelian? That's actually a pretty cool name.
Now, when are you look gorgeous?
Literally.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We na.
Oh, mine
Guys,
is-
wala akong mga, like, so, we are going to let the players choose a theme
Oh,
only
that's
after 5
Cornelian.
weeks.
Ah.
Wait, guys, what are we talking about?
That photo down
The
there.
man.
Oh, Cornelian, period.
Game on. I'm ready. Low. You got this. Tahu?
Oh, that's him.
That's a nice
Guys,
photo.
wait. I think I know him. I don't.
Add me, please.
I got you. I don't have friends on my phone.
Get the phone number.
Oh.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't have TikTok. Guys, we don't sponsor that app. We don't have TT. Be humble to others. Love the disability people. Person.
Okay.
We love the
I love
disabled.
them all.
Something.
All the people.
Yeah, guys, it seems like we're not gonna get any more posts after that.
Guess who?
It's me! It's Mix! Did you guys see that?
You gotta.
How can
Guys.
we guess? How can we even
Give us a
No,
hint.
guys! I'm right. Sorry, guys. I'm setting up the hints.
Okay, guys. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Follow any man from your bestie from school.
We are.
Hey.
Oh, so they're besties.
Yo, where's me?
There's no link.
Minx, come back.
That guys go. Oh my gosh, what was I gonna say?
Oh,
I hope it's a
guys,
girl.
Any man, Cornelian, and my best friend are friends.
Yeah, they're besties.
Yeah, any man, Cornelian.
That could be a grown man.
Guys,
I think Cornelia
Case-
is Mibble best.
case closed. I am a detective.
Thanks. I just said that.
Come back, Mix. How can we know
I
who you
know
are?
who you are.
I hope you're a girl.
I hope you're
It sounds
Cuban.
like gender revealing.
I hope you're Cuban, okay?
Why does it
Hey,
sound
guys.
like gender revealing, man?
Chill.
I'm your auntie, and I think you're a girl.
Okay.
What was your name? Any man. Said any man. Interesting.
No, he said
It's me,
real.
Betsa.
Guys, I told you it's me. I told you. I literally said.
Wait.
No.
Guess no.
That's his friend.
No, it's not
Guys,
different.
be so for real.
You're from Japan.
It's literally me.
No.
POV. Pinocchio.
Pinocchio, they're lying.
Pinocchio,
No.
no.
Pinocchio means they're lying.
No, Pinocchio knows. And it is Thai love everybody. Who's that?
No, Lulu.
Me. Huh?
Lulu. No, or
Where's the
Lufu.
emoji?
Lufu.
That's not me.
Guys, I think that's enough. I think that's it. I don't think
No.
anyone else wants to talk to
I
us.
wanna see Carmen.
Mix. Be honest.
Come on.
Guys, wala manalo iya mix emoy. Wala mga wakaliba. Let's go home.
I'm being serious. It's not funny.
Wait.
Guess.
Guess
Oh my
it.
gosh, it's me.
You're from America.
That's my guess. Who?
Are you from America?
Nah, you're at home right now.
You're in Bible.
Okay. Are you a close friend? Say yes. Like. What?
Say, guys, we have to go home.
Mix, I gotta study.
Mix. We have school tomorrow. Remember?
Mix, I'm gonna guess my answers for tomorrow, but can you just tell me who you
Thanks,
are?
girls.
And thank you guys for tonight. Okay, I guess we're gonna lock it up now because Minx is not being
Strawberry, booyah.
Trying to
Tall cake.
What are you talking?
Le ay formule a veces me nga. We don't support
I
that.
thought that was a bouquet.
These
Guys,
are flowers. These are flowers.
guess.
No need
It's
to guess. It's me, Peta. Dirt.
No. Betsa does not say that.
Dirt.
Say
She
dirt.
does not say dirt.
I
She does
literally
not say dirt.
say dirt, guys. Dirt.
Dirt.
Yeah, guys, let's go home, dirt.
No, that's the actual real thing. It's dirt, but when it wait, show.
What's wrong? Nothing's wrong. We're good. We're good.
We're good.
We're good.
We're just a bit angry at Mix.
No, we
I
can't.
think I know who this is.
It's called keeping your privacy, and we can't force someone to let us
I
know
don't
who
care
we
about
are.
Yeah.
ethics in your privacy.
Because there's no privacy. It's literally me, guys.
This serves as a drive for
There's a thing called being
got you,
ethical,
Mix,
and
bro.
you're mine.
Dirt.
Guys, yeah, that's it for tonight. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you all. Please stay safe, and kids, stay in school and study hard. And remember, sometimes everything you need to learn is not always in school. It's at home too. That's all.
God bless. Good night.
And for all our winners, remember, first place gets a $100 voucher from Daphne's. You go straight to Daphne's. And if you've been very consistent with our games, you would know it's opposite. Where again, guys?
Robert Louis Stevenson Primary.
Robert Louis Stevenson School.
Primary.
That's the one. It's the primary. And from there, you go straight there to get your first place prize. And remember, if you give us an actual valid phone number, or if you actually remember that phone number, don't know it's you. And our second place, $60 cash picked up from Uso Rentals, as well as third place to pick up your $40 cash, guys. Y'all rich. That's more than what I have. You know
I
that?
don't even have 40 cents.
Oh, okay.
We get it, buddy.
Chill.
No need to tell everybody your financial struggles. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a blessed week going forward, and we'll hopefully see. Oh my goodness.
See you guys.
Hopefully see you guys next week. God bless. Have a safe week.
And remember to play Q5Q.
Cute cuckoo.
QQ. We're workshopping it. Tofa 74, have a blessed night. And thank you to all our sponsors. Tofa.
TV5
Your happy channel.
Europea OA